Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange. Features 15-inch alloy wheels, the 7-inch touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 29,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.